If you're behind on your mortgage payments or things are getting tight in your life and you foresee yourself starting to fall behind, or you find yourself, the payments are being made, but there's really no money left at the end of the month because your expenses are super high, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Columbus, Ohio, all throughout Central Ohio, and all over the great state of Ohio. And one of the most common situations that we see is people who are falling behind on their mortgage payments. So this is what I have found. First off, there's no shame. Bad things happen to good people. Maybe something happened in your life. It could be something with your job. It could be something in your relationship. It could be something with the house, maybe these unexpected expenses. Whatever the case may be, people fall behind on their mortgage payments. Me personally, I have been through a lot with different mortgages and stuff like that and falling behind, and bills have gotten tight. I've been through medical stuff in my life. We all have stuff that potentially is going on that could affect the ability to pay the mortgage. So first off, don't feel any shame or anything like that. It's a bump in the road. It's a financial bump in the road, and financial bumps in the road can absolutely be overcome. But one of the most important things is you got to work with the right people. So that's what we do here. We work with people in every situation, but one of the most common things that we see is people back on their mortgage payments. So here's the thing. The best thing you can do is act quickly, not put your head in the sand and, hope this thing goes away and maybe I'll figure it out later. Get on top of this thing right now. Even if you're thinking maybe I don't want to sell the house and work out some different option, still contact us. I mean, we have seen it all over the last 14 years, and even if we can't buy your house, then we'll still point you in the right direction and at least share some options with you. It could be like working with the lender. It could be a loan modification. There's a lot of different options, but the sooner you contact a professional who knows what they're doing, the better. And there's no obligation whatsoever to talk to us. We're here, we're local, been doing this a long time, got hundreds of reviews and testimonials. We're going to treat you right. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. And like I said, don't beat yourself up. It's just a financial bump in the road, and we can absolutely make it happen. But the sooner you contact us, the more options you're going to have. And what we typically see is where you're going to net the most amount of money and really profit the most is by selling the property in its as-is condition for cash. So we buy houses for cash for a fair price, and we buy it in its as-is condition. So you don't have to come out of pocket. With a traditional real estate sale, I mean, what are you doing? You're going to the Home Depot, you're hiring a handyman. Now, if bills are already tight for you, the last thing you want to do is like come out of pocket and start fixing things and cleaning things, hauling things away. So with us here, we buy houses for cash for a fair price in its as-is condition. There's no approvals needed. There's no banks. There's no multiple walkthroughs here with the appraiser and inspections. No, it's very simple to work with us. We buy houses for a fair price, make it very easy and convenient for you. Let's get this thing paid off. So if you're falling behind in your payments, you know how they start to tack up the fees and the interest. That's why the sooner we take action, the better. So if you want to get a fair cash offer on the house, we can buy it in its as-is condition. Contact us today. Our number is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. There's no pressure, there's no games, there's no gimmicks, there's no sales tactics. We just need to know more information about the house and then what kind of timeline we're working with, right? What kind of timeline are you looking to get this thing wrapped up? If you want to close quickly, we're a cash buyer. We can make it happen. We closed one just last week. From the time the person called us until the time we were at the closing table, 6 days. I mean, we can make stuff happen here if that's what you need. Or if you need more flexibility, you want to set a target date for the future, just let us know. Let's talk about when you want to close. We'll talk about the house. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If the offer works for you, great. If not, no crime, no foul. We'll shake hands. We'll part as friends. We're going to make this easy, fair, fast, and convenient for you. So if you have a house and maybe you're falling back on the mortgage payments and you want to sell the house or at least just see what we could do for you, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.